serve the eel that's while the meat is being prepared. Before we start, you can always make your own. My YouTube channel when I was in the States, I'm not to mention that they have actually retained the eels that actually explain how fresh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are hunting down the ultimate grill feast in Shenzhen. We'll be looking for a live grill feast. This shop have served the eel that's so fresh that head is still moving while the meat is being prepared. So buckle up and let's see what this shop has for offered. Before we start, you can always make your own dipping sauce here. There's lots of ingredients to offer. Then we will be waiting for our meat before it's grilled. I've ordered some wagyu, so before we eat, this is to act as a starters. And look at this head of the grilled eel. Even though it's being cut out nicely, the head is actually still moving. That actually explains how fresh is this. It looks a bit scary, but I believe the meat will definitely taste great. So the staff is actually preparing all the meat right now. They're cutting right beside us. While waiting, we'll be watching the server to mix up an icy cold green tea rice wine cocktail. It's a light and refreshing combination, and this definitely pairs perfectly with the grilled food. The thing that I really need to give in to the Chinese restaurant is that they have huge great service. Look at all this. They mix a drink for you and later they'll serve your food for you. Not to mention that when you are grilling, they'll even grill your food for you. It's really awesome experience here. You'll feel like a king while you are paying pennies for all this service. You don't need to pay anything extra. There's also no tipping service or culture here, not like the days where I visit Europe or the American side. If you watch my YouTube channel when I was in the States, I'm basically tipping like an additional 15 to 30% of whatever I'm eating. It's crazy, right? For service, and they're not even servicing you. So look at what they are doing here. The chef is actually cooking my food for me. They'll be doing this from the start of the meal to the end of the meal. Isn't it awesome? Right now, they are working to deliver all the proteins down to the table. So right now, they are grilling some fatty pork here, and this meat is very thinly sliced, so it is very nice in texture, and it cooks fast too. Be sure to dip into any sauce you like to change your flavors, and you will have a great bite. Next up is another starters, is a well-cut wagyu beef. You can look at the texture of it. It looks so beautiful, right? But all these are just starters because after all, we'll be waiting for the main event later, which is definitely the grilled eel. But right now, let's just enjoy other servings of proteins. We got to have all sorts of proteins from all sorts of places, right? So the pork, the beef, we got to eat them all. And if you like it, you can always use some vegetables to wrap your meat inside so that it will not taste so greasy. Finally guys, it's time to start the grilling process for the eel. This whole grilling process is actually pretty lengthy and it feels like a performance. The main reason being that eel meat is much thicker than other meats, so it will definitely take longer to cook. Not to mention that they have actually retained the eel skin, so that when they grill it later, it will be very crispy. Thus, it will take quite a longer time to cook everything. While waiting, we can have some of the other meat they have already prepared. That's why I've said that all these are starters. We will have lots of food to bite while we are waiting for the eel to be done. Definitely won't be hungry at this point. Right, so the chef is actually flipping the eel right now because they started off by grilling off the meat side so that all the water will be retained in the meat. Right now it has been done. The waiter is going to flip the eel over. As we are grilling the skins, it will get crispy on the side. I would say that grilled eel has been enjoyed throughout East Asia for centuries, Beside all the rich flavors that is inside the meat, this eel is actually very high in protein and other benefits like omega-3 and all the vitamins A, vitamins B, blah blah blah. Finally, we are close to the end of the grilling process. The chef is actually dripping all the meat into this specialized sweet sauce and put it back to the fire for a final sear so that the sugar will actually caramelize and fusing the sweetness and the smokiness inside into the meat. Finally, the chef will be putting up some toppings onto it and we'll be ready to go. But at here, I would like to give a shout out to our chef. He was so incredibly patient because the cooking process is definitely not short, and while we are eating here, he is grilling there. Really need to give it to him a great thank you. Finally guys, the grill is ready. After the whole waiting process is finally done, and the chef is actually peeling out the entire meat into this small little mountain. And it's time to dig in. Let me do a quick bite test. The first bite is definitely gonna be the original one without any other flavors. Then after that, I'll be using it to go with some of the dipping sauce. It will be a great change of flavors. Look at this crispy part of the skin. It is very charcoaly and it will be very crispy. Of course, you can use one of my favorite way to eat it. That is to wrap it with some roast seaweed. This is probably my favorite combination. Oh, not to mention, there's also kimchi out there. You can add it for some extra spiciness. Finally, we will be finishing the dinner with some carbs, a set of chewy instant noodles. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this meal. Will you dare to try this grilled when the head is still moving on the plate? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Our food adventure in Shenzhen is just starting, and you will get crazy as we keep exploring other cities in China. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join me in more amazing food adventures across China.